Hi guys! My area experienced a sudden temporary power outage last night. It got so dark at home, I could barely find a candle. And for a long time, I couldn't remember where I'd kept my cell phone either. So using its flashlight was out of the question. Eventually though, I did manage to find my phone. And immediately after, I found and lit a candle. What a relief that was! But that got me wondering about how man might have managed life before the Romans invented candles or Edison invented light bulb. Back in the Stone Age, man would strike two flintstones against each other to generate a spark with which he would burn dry leaves to make fire. Sometimes it took him hours before even the first sign of fire showed. And while friction was an alien concept back then, it sure did exist. After all, without friction, there would be no fire. That was possibly the first experiment ever conducted on friction. Thousands of years have passed since then. Today, we carry matchboxes with matchsticks that enable us to produce a flame whenever we need one. But how do matchboxes work really? We press the tip of a matchstick against the rough surface of a matchbox. Then, we push the matchstick so its tip rubs against the surface. The resultant friction produces heat, which causes the matchstick to light up. Matchstick tips are initially made using yellow phosphorus. Later, however, it was learned that yellow phosphorus is dangerous as it catches fire at just 30 degrees Celsius. Owing to the risks involved, yellow phosphorus was eventually replaced with red phosphorus. Red phosphorus burns at around 240 degrees Celsius, which is quite safe. Then another challenge arose. It's very high temperature. How do we generate so much heat? Once again, we sought help from our ancient friend, friction. We added very small glass particles to both matchstick tips and the rough surfaces on matchboxes. This made both surfaces substantially rougher than they used to be, thus giving us a greater friction and a lot more heat. As a result, the matches we use today are not only safe to handle but also easy to use. At the most it takes today to light a match is 2 attempts. From dark caves to modern houses, from striking stones for hours to striking a match just once, friction has been one of our most accessible sources of fire for thousands of years. Oops, I'm running late for a friend's birthday celebration. I better go. Wait, where's my matchbox? Here it is. I'm going to need it to light the candles on my friend's birthday cake. See you soon.